So guys, these are all these services like compute. I was talking about EC2, Lambda. I touched base on that. Storage, S3, EFS, databases, right? And of course, there are migration tools available if you're thinking to actually migrate, right? So data sync between your infrastructure environment and Amazon. So that's another really cool service that you can use. Networking, we talked about VPC, CloudFront Route 53. Developer tools, we talked about the code, build, deploy. There's a robotics. I'm not really into that, but if you guys are, then you can look into that. The other services, again, blockchain. If you are integrating, of course, cryptocurrency and stuff, then Amazon has launched some services under blockchain category. If you're into satellite, that would be interesting. I'm interested in that, but I haven't really worked on that. That would be really good to see what services they have. Then the management governance, AWS organization, CloudWatch, right? I haven't talked about detail, but again, I briefly touched on that. CloudTrail and CloudWatch allows you to up your environment on the fly by monitoring the CPU usage. Some media services connect, and we will cover that as well. Machine learning, I talked about that. Amazon SageMaker has Lex and transcribe and translate, right? These are the one. And of course, they have DeepLens and Deep Composers. Again, if you're into AI and machine learning, you may want to probably look into that. Analytics, QuickSight, I talked about that, but this is all related to your Amazon's the Redshift and putting BI tool on top of that. Then you have security, IAM rules, very important because without that you can't really move forward. You have to make sure your accessibility of your environment is at par. Application integration, cost management, that's what I was, Cost Explorer, that's the one I was saying I couldn't remember, but you may want to probably explore that service as well. Customer engagement, Amazon Connect, Pinpoint, I haven't used those. They're coming with new services like literally every few weeks, right? Business application, end user computing, Internet of Things. If you guys are using, one of my friend who works for Yum basically, the Pizza Hut chain, provide Pizza Hut services and whatnot. So he's actually working for Yum and as a consultant, and he has done a lot of work where the delivery of the pizza and stuff, and using a lot of Internet of Things services on Amazon. So this way, he knows, okay, what is the average time of pizza coming out from the oven from like hundreds of locations from Pizza Hut, because all of the data is going to the corporate office, right? And they're making those decisions. Delivery time of the pizza, right? Employees, retention using punch in and out type of thing. So all of that comes under Internet of Things. So he's using a lot of events, IoT events, in order to transfer the data back to the headquarters where they make the right decisions. All right, so we'll be going through some of this in more detail. For example, we'll start off with the compute in the next session, and I'll walk you through using the some theory, right? So we'll cover some theoretical aspects of compute, EC2 instance, and then we will actually go ahead and launch it, and people who are not familiar how to launch it, I think it'll be a good opportunity to learn how to launch it on Amazon.